It's time to say goodbye to zillions of remote controls controlling everything in your house. And time to say hello to the Sony Tablet S as a universal remote control. Showing off now, aren't we?
The Sony Tablet S is loaded with a ton of pre-registered devices and can operate all of them remotely via infrared. Just 3 easy setup steps and any device that has an infrared port can be easily controlled by the tablet. If any device is not on the pre-registered list, the tablet is then equipped to learn the commands from the device's remote control, thereby transforming itself into the remote control for that device. How cool is that?
So you're not just restricted to Sony gadgets with your Sony tablet. You can control whatever you want. Aircon off. Your camera off.